To find a micro-credential that you might be interested in participating in, go to neacertificationbank.com and click View Micro-Credentials. You'll be directed to the NEA Stack library. Each of these icons represents a stack or a group of micro-credentials. So you can scroll through and browse for an interesting topic. And then when you find a topic that you would be interested in looking at the details at, click the icon. So I'm going to click Classroom Management. You're taken to a page of the details of the Classroom Management stack. It talks about what you'll learn, how many micro-credentials are in this stack, and how many hours approximately each micro-credential will take. As you scroll down, you can see the individual micro-credentials with a short description of what each one is and the types of evidence that are required. There are also two links, one to view the PDF and one to start the micro-credential.